All right, horn salute. It's a street takeover in Clinton, Missouri tonight. How awful the humanity of this. We used to call these car shows back in the day. Check it out. All kinds of wild, crazy people going on. We'll be looting the donut store and the Bible bookstore here soon. Check this out. Check this out, little Austin Healy. Man, you don't see nothing like this anymore. Check that out. Ain't that some James Bond shit, man? British steel. This is it. I didn't even think I was going to make this tonight. Pretty. Oh, I can smell the turtle wax on this. Look at that. I like the green. Remember Bel Airs? My dad used to drive them. Look at all the juvenile delinquents here going to take over the donut store and the Bible bookstore. How awful. Clinton, Missouri street takeover. Look at that. I wonder how much loot the unicorn can get. Check this out. Lovely. How'd you like to put gas in this? Where do you plug this thing in at? Yeah, where do you plug it in at? Yeah, Elon, 50 years from now, they will not be rebuilding your Tesla, but some of these cars will still be around.
Chris, I even got your song.
Yeah, people. I'm glad I'm not in the wheelchair yet. I almost didn't make it tonight. So we got the alien takeover. I think we were at the first one, weren't we, Mel? Right on. What, bluebird? Bluebird? Oh, Jesus Christ. No, not a bluebird. Shit, I forgot to bring my heater, Mel. Don't worry, the bluebird's here. If there's a shooter in town, he'll take care of it. I like these Falcons. God, I turned down one as a kid and I should have got it. The thing could roast tires. Yeah. I turned down one of these as a kid. $500 you could get one at one time. Little 289. Yeah, and they would scream. Look how easy this is to work on. Shit, even I could still. Here we go. For my GM fans. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Sorry, got to gravitate towards the Mopar here. Beep, beep. That's right. Bible bookstore, you're next. And let's loot the attorney at law there and H&R Block. Why not? My uncle had a Roadrunner. I don't know what year. I was like in 6th grade visiting my grandparents, and that was the first car that ever scared the hell out of me. He got on a 2-lane country road out there in Macon, Missouri, and he let it rip. Very impressed. Love the Fox Body Mustangs. There you go. Hey, Mel, I smell sage. Or is that Serranos? That smells sage. Look at all these hostile people taking over the community. Yeah, my dad used to drive these things. He had a black 64 with a red interior, and it caught fire. I got to ride around in these as a kid, no shit. Look at that, and they make fun of baby boomers. This is something Gen Z will never know, riding in one of these things.
Right. It's 816.
I think he had a bucket seat in his, though. There we go. There you go, the different generation of Monte Carlo SS, your Dale Earnhardt specials here. Monte Carlo or Camaro. I grew up with that shit. Fuck that. We got to Monte Carlo. Monte Carlo fans. It's all about your perspective, is it not? Look at this. No, I snubbed my nose at these back in the day. Now they're collecting. The one with the sloped windshield, I think it's an 88. That's the real collector's item. Nice Camaro there. How about finding one in a garage for $400? All it needed was a hood. Back in 1980. Look at this, street takeover. They're gonna ruin the town now. He's gonna do donuts and they're gonna flash laser lights at this guy. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at this thing. Look at this crazy shit, Mel. Where do you plug it in at? Yeah, where do you plug it in at? Love it. Love it. It looks like the car show. Not too bad. Hey, it's a different turnout. Sometimes it is. And hey, I don't see the Cougar this time, Mel. So, it's a hostile street takeover here in Clinton, Missouri tonight at a thing called a car show. All the youth are going crazy. You ready to loot the Bible bookstore, baby? Or H&R Block, Mel? Yeah. How about $400 sitting in the garage and all it needed was a hood?
I'm not excited for.
All it needed. Everybody in high school wanted one of these or a Mustang. I'll go with the Monte Carlo. New shit. Yeah, my dad used to drive these, not the SSs. That's something that Gen Z will never know. Riding in old Grandma Brown's black 64 Impala. Serranos. Yeah, it does. Now we got to walk all the way back up to the mob. Oh my God, look at the guy there on the scooter. He's a terrorist.
Billy, look at that one.
All right, here we are. Street takeover in Clinton tonight. Got a lot of wild people out here destroying the community.
How are you? Good. Good.
Lots of tire smoke. Deranged youth. Looks like a few old people maybe having fun. Look at this. We got to walk through this mob now.
Oh, yeah.
Help me, Jesus, help me. They're coming to get me. They're coming to get me. Help me. Hey, look at the old motorcycle. I think we'll kill out with this. Oh, hold on. Got to get the duster.
Look at that's pretty cool.
Old motorcycle.
That's cool.
Yeah. Mustang or Duster? Duster all the way, motherfuckers. Mopar, no car. 73 Duster, 340 from hell. I never lost a street race. I remember used the old Scat Pack 727 that was slipping and still 70 miles an hour. I could drop her down to second, start working the gears, and listen to that Mopar run. All right, I think I hear cop sirens and I'm fearing for my life now from this wild mob. So hit that like and subscribe, man. Last car show of the year, Clinton, Missouri. Thanks for watching.